In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check whether your application, software, or program is 32-bit or 64-bit. And yes, this method works on Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 11. First, open Task Manager by pressing Alt, Control, and Delete on your keyboard, or simply right-click on the taskbar and choose Task Manager from the menu. Once Task Manager is open, go to the Details tab. You'll see a list of all running processes here. Now, right-click on any of the column headers. That's the top row showing names like Name, PID, and Status. From the menu, click Select Columns. In the list that appears, scroll down and find the option called Platform. Check the box next to it and click OK. You'll now see a new column named Platform in the Details tab. Here, you can see multiple applications running, and the Platform column describes whether each one is 32-bit or 64-bit. Next, run the application or program you want to check, and return to the Task Manager's Details tab. Look under the Platform column for your application's process. If it shows 32-bit, it's a 32-bit application. If it shows 64-bit, that means it's a 64-bit application. And that's it. A simple and reliable way to find out if your app is 32-bit or 64-bit on Windows 7, 10, or 11. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. See you in the next one.